You know what? Detain her. Detain her. Put your hands on the back of your head.
You're about to switch drivers.
Free me my rights.
King 6 stars the 3rd.
Ma'am.
Put your hands behind your back.
Put
Put your hands behind your
I
back.
am not arrested. You're being detained.
King 6 stars the 3rd.
Bless me. They are approaching me and putting me on the car with force. So those that are listening, I am not arrested.
Yes, you have 2 different plates on your vehicle.
2 different plates, but you're pressing on me. You're not reading.
You're not
rights.
listening. You're not listening.
Excuse me. What are you doing? Why are you pulling me away from the car?
You're going in the back of our patrol car.
Excuse me. What are you doing? Bless me.
Put your hands behind your back now. Get on your stomach. Get on your stomach. Get on your stomach. Get on your stomach now. You're gonna get tased.
How did she get it open?
She slipped it. Double lock. Okay. King 6, we still have a male in the front passenger seat. The x-ray is detained, but we still need cover.
Sorry.
It's fine.
You have an extra detained and a male in the passenger seat.
King 6, stars 11,
I can't get
41, code 3. The x-ray, I believe she's unconscious. She's out. I know. He needs to get to the unlock your car, I got her. He locked the door. Do you have your PA on? I see.
Solano 10246, code 3 from Walters and Huntington.
Copy.
You can sit in the back.
Yeah, or it's in
Okay.
right behind it. It's just not good.
There's kids in the car, so I can't use my dog.
620.
Copy your 2 out.
Young man in the car, in the front passenger seat. Open the car door slowly. Put your hands in the air. Open the car door slowly and put your hands in the air. Did you see how many kids were back there? I saw 2.
Yeah, I can really see this kid, Bob. Passenger! Open the door slowly
Solano,
and come
1King6.
out with your hands up! 1King6, go ahead.
We are facing northbound for incoming units. The passenger is non-compliant.
Copy, you're facing northbound and the passenger is not compliant or is compliant?
Non.
Copy, non-compliant.
You in the front passenger seat. Let me see both of your hands. Yes, you. I'm talking to you. What I want you to do is open the car door slowly, keeping your hands in the air.
697.
606, I copy.
We have an X-ray detained. I'm not sure if she's conscious. She's in the back of this car. Step out and face the front of your car. Slowly. Step out with your hands in the air, facing the front of your car. Keeping your hands on the back of your head. Put your hands on the back of your head. Walk backwards to the sound of my voice, please. Keep coming. You got hands? I got hands, don't worry. Keep coming. Keep coming. Take one step to your left. I don't want you to step in those weeds. One step to your left. There you go. Take that full step. Okay, now come back. Keep coming. 5 more big steps.
What did you do, officer?
Stop right there. Alright, so you're not under arrest, you're just being detained, okay?
What did we do?
Well, considering she just fought 2 deputies, that's why you're being detained.
Me?
Yes, you're not under arrest, okay?
Okay,
How many
so
children are in the back of the car?
children. Huh?
I know, how many children are in the back? Step back with me.
3.
3 kids? How old are they?
Girls.
Okay, how old are they?
1's 6, 1's 4, 1's 3.
Okay, sounds good. Aaron, is this your car right here?
It's my car.
Okay, can I get the cage?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, is it open?
Yeah.
Okay, it's just three J's in there. All under 6, right, sir?
Yeah, all under, yeah.
Go and have a seat in the back of the car.
You mean tell me
Again,
all
you
we
are
do is
not
switching drivers?
you are not under arrest. You're just being detained.
Okay.
So just have a seat. We have an ambulance coming to check her out.
Oh,
Okay.
God, dude. That's Intel's finest. That's not a regular.
Go ahead, watch your foot.
No. I ain't never seen that like this.
I think it's just J's and they're all under 6.
Under 6?
Yeah.
Oh, jeez.
All right.
Okay. It might be buckled in there.
Yeah. So you want to downgrade that, and then we'll go up and clear.
Yeah.
Broke my clip. Is this unlocked? I want to check on her real quick. She's fine. She's doing something. She's conscious. Okay. I think all the J's are in the second row in the back, and back farther. So let's just make sure they're good. If they're good, we can leave them in place. Make sure there's no weapons or anything they can get to. Okay. Cool. I'm gonna keep you lethal, and I'm gonna stay hands-free. Hey kids, it's the police. Hello. You guys okay? Alrighty. You guys all have seatbelts and stuff? Can you guys stay in here for me, okay?
607, the male's detained. There's a J in the car. You can lift the paper.
610, copy. The male is detained. Canceling the code 33. 2122, KMA 760.
Solano 1L222, South B unit stating arrest stop.
10222, copy.
Solano 1S21, shut down. Responding code 2 now.
Copy.
Yeah, there's a Maryland plate up here
Solano
and a California one in the back.
Traffic from Leisure Town and Fry.
Copy.
You good?
Yeah.
She clocked me in the face.
Are you alright?
I'm fine. Young lady, what's your name? Ma'am, what's your name? I have an ambulance coming to check you out. What's your name?
My name is Nakia Porter.
Okay. How old are you, ma'am?
32.
32? Okay. Where are you hurt at?
My face,
Your face? Anywhere else?
my back,
In your back?
and my stomach.
Okay.
Where you kicked me and me.
Did you lose consciousness at any point?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have any head pain? Your face in your back?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Is it Nakia?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have identification on you or in the vehicle? Is that your purse that's wrapped around you?
Yeah.
Does this unclip at all?
Does it unclip?
No.
I'm gonna go around the other side.
Okay.
If you unzip it. Unzip it.
Okay, which pocket is it in?
The one that's already unzipped.
This one?
The one vertical. Open it. The ID will be probably behind the money. So,
Okay, perfect. He's in mine. Just keep an eye on the kids. I'm gonna get medical to check her out. She went unconscious. Okay. If you could just stay with the kids. 6 Medics 97 and 1029. Last of Porter, Paul, Ocean, Robert, Tom, Edward, Yellow. Correction, Robert. First, phonetically, Nora, Adam, King, Ida, Adam. Middle of Victoria, 10-14-87. X-ray out of Orangevale. DL available.
So far, she's the owner of the vehicle, which is clear and correct.
Got it. Hey, gents. So we got into a scuffle with the X-ray. She's detained in the back. Okay. Her ID is right here. X-ray and born in 87. She went unconscious during the fight. I think it was because she got struck in the face. She's complaining of facial pain, back pain, and stomach pain, all where she was struck. And then when we went to the ground, again, she did lose.
And 1 King 6, she's 1026.
Are you alright?
With a valid
I got hit in the
license
face, but I'll be okay after her.
Okay.
out of Orangeville.
King 6, we're code 4 right now. Did you need her ID?
Yes, please.
All right.
Copy your code 4 at 2126.
Actually, can you tell me if I got like a cut on my lip or anything, man? My top lip.
Let me pull mine. Nope.
There,
You look good. You got a little bit of scratch on your neck.
Okay.
Just right here.
Right here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Looks like got caught with a fingernail.
Something. She hit me in the face, but.
Nice. Sir, do you need medical attention?
No, I'm okay. Do you need?
Yeah, if you
light?
can shine some light. I don't know where the hell the freaking camera's at. There's shoes. A freak over.
There it is.
Look at my light. See it? There we go. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, of course. Are they good? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, they're okay. This just came out of her purse. Solano 186.
Go ahead.
For CAD notes, the X-ray lost consciousness during the altercation and is complaining of head pain, face pain, and stomach pain.
He was another occupant.
Yeah, just another occupant. We're just getting his info, and because there's 3 children in the car, just making sure that we can get, if he's a valid driver.
That sucks. His got the female?
I think, unfortunately, most of it.
Solano 102 2729 out of Maryland. Go ahead. Lots of Powell, Paul Ocean, William Edward, Lincoln, first of Joe or Joseph. Date of birth 11/30 of 5959, Blocktail. Over.
Over here throwing shoes at you. Sorry, man. I'm over here throwing shoes at you. Young man, I got your shoes for you.
Thank you. Hold on. That was a good one.
Do you have a valid driver's license, sir?
Yes,
Either
I
out of
do.
Maryland or out of California?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Just sit tight for me. We're trying to figure that out. The kids are okay. They're all in the back. I got one of my partners hanging out with them right now, okay? She went unresponsive. I had full mount on her. She was on her face. She went out. Yeah, no more than 20 seconds. No more than. She had normal breathing the entire time. When I rolled her over, picked her up, she was able to move her. She was moving her legs as if she was like going in the car. So.
She's saying she recalls the event. She kind of saw stars and was startled when her face hit the ground. That's what she's telling me. So I'm just letting you guys know that it doesn't sound like there was a loss of consciousness. I'm going to ask her if she wants to go to the hospital. Are you guys okay with her being transported by us if she does?
She wants to be seen.
She does.
Okay.
Yeah.
You guys have any saline or anything I wash my hand off with?
Absolutely. Yeah, definitely. Hey,
Okay.
Claire,
Or something.
can we get some...
I just need to wipe my hand off.
Yeah, sure. Look, let me
Yeah, I'm good for now. I just gotta wash my hand off. She came out, instantly popped out of the car as soon as McDowell turned her lights on. There's a front out-of-state plate and then the rear plate. They flipped around, and then she initiated the traffic stop. As soon as I put it out, she hopped out of the car, was non-compliant, refused to get back in the car, and then turned towards us. And then as soon as we told her to put her hands on the back of her head, she tried to go walk away, and then actually started fighting McDowell. And then that's when we went hands on. She slipped a cuff and punched me in the face.
Are you okay?
I'm okay. I gotta get my hand washed.
I'll take it.
Oh, it's all good, man. Alright. How's it going?